Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a simple modak and pedha for prasad. Plus it's chocolate, so even better. You ready? Let's go. This is such a simple, quick and easy recipe that you can make instantly. Use whole milk powder for best results. We will mix in the sugar and the milk powder and then add the milk in batches. Remember, the milk should be at room temperature. Now switch on the flame and keep mixing the milk gradually in batches until all the milk is used. We don't want to add all at once because it becomes lumpy. Now keep stirring continuously and you will see it coming together. The flame is medium-low and I am using a non-stick pan so that the mixture doesn't burn. Don't rush this process and keep mixing and cooking. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. It's been 5 minutes and it started coming together already. At first it will look liquid, but soon it will start to thicken up. There, it's been 8 minutes and it started to come together. The total time varies on the milk and the milk powder, but it takes approximately 10 to 12 minutes to form a lump. This looks perfect. Now for the best part, chocolate. Switch off the flame before you add the chocolate. Try to use semi-sweet chocolate chips, otherwise it will become too sweet. You will see them melting right away. Keep mixing until it's evenly distributed and keep aside to cool at room temperature. Now here you can use any mold you like, but I have this mini modak mold for pedha. Apply some ghee and take a small portion. Close the mold and give the modak shape and remove the extra. These look so cute once they are made. Awesome, don't you think? I'll show you one more. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for such interesting recipes I show every week, and thanks for your support. This is perfect. And now for a twist. Take a small portion and roll it into a ball. Here I have something from my kitchen to give it a design. Looks great, right? You can use anything from your kitchen you think will give an attractive design to the pedhas. Use your imagination and get creative. I like how these have turned out. These have turned out so good. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye.